The camera inside your cell phone is getting smarter. With the next generation of smartphones, you can't take a bad picture. There is an integrated array of cameras, so every pixel is in focus. You'll never miss the perfect shot. Because every pixel contains depth information, you can select any 2 points to measure the distance between them. When you capture video, your phone or tablet can actually use the data to build a 3D model. What you do with that model is up to you. Create a digital avatar or plug it into a 3D printer to create a personalized gift. Use your creativity along with a smart camera in your smartphone to make every occasion more memorable. Pelican Imaging.